Hi. So now let us see the another important definition, that is relationship. Okay. So what is meaning of relationship? So if you see, association between entities are called a relationship. So it is very simple. Okay, fine. So whenever if you take a two entities, so here association between entities actually. So two entities if you take, what kind of association they have, what kind of relationship they have. So that relationship we are going to represent with the diamond symbol actually. So that is what this is the symbol we are going to use for representing the relationship between two attributes or among the attributes, you can say. Okay. So for better understanding, let us take a simple example, that is employee works for organization. So employee is one entity, organization is another entity. Now, what is the relationship between these two entities actually? This is entity one and this is entity two. In these two entities, what is the relation actually between these two? That is works for. So that is what you can see here. Employee entity one, organization entity two. And what is the relation between these two is, that is the works for. And we are going to connect like this. Okay. So this is what the relationship. So in this way, first of all, we are going to define the relationship between two entities or more than two entities actually. Okay, that we will see. More than two, we will see in the discussion further. Okay. Now, weak relationship. See, weak relationship means it is used to connect with a weak entity. So we already discussed that strong entity, weak entity. Weak entity meaning is which don't have a key actually. Candidate key is not exist out of all attributes in that particular entity. Then that is going to become weak entity. That is what we discussed already. Now, if you have a weak entity, then the relationship is also going to become weak relationship. So that you can see that we are going to represent with the double diamond actually, double outlined diamond. Okay, so this is what, for example, as we seen earlier, bank account. So bank account, simply if you take the bank account, there may be duplicate values. So that is why this is going to become weak entity. Now this we are going to connect with bank actually. So like SBI bank. So if you connect bank to this one, then we are going to take here a diamond you can take. But that is weak relationship. That is what you can connect like this. Of course, further details we will see in the discussion. The very first thing is if the relationship between two entities, in those entities, one of the entity is the weak entity, then relationship is going to become weak relationship. So that strong relationship, normal relationship, you are going to say take with a single outline, and here double outline diamond we are going to take for the weak relationship. Okay.